Today in this video we will see how to make very beautiful flower clip using stocking cloth. Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Sewing channel. If you are watching our videos for the first time, please subscribe our channel to get the beautiful video updates in future, and please like the video to reach more audience. Without delay, let's get started. Now here I am taking jewelry making wire and wrap it around thread pull as shown here. A 10 give twist to secure the round shape. Now remove the wire from the thread roll. Remove the extras. Now wrap the stocking cloth around the circle and tie with the thread as shown. Now trim out the extra cloth. Now one petal is ready. Similarly do the other petals like this. Previously I shown flower petals. For the leaf, here I am taken same round size but with green color stocking cloth. For a leaf shape look, give some press at one end. For the flower petal joining, take the needle along with thread. Join all the flower petals as I shown. You can also try it in another way by using felt round base. If you have it, please use that method for neat finishing. Follow the stitching procedure to make the proper flower. Now join the two leaves. If you want to cover stitching thread, you can use glitter glue. It will enhance the beauty of the flower. In our channel we are done with many flowers. If you are interested, please visit our channel videos. Now I am attaching tic tac clip to the flower and also give some extra stitches for more secure. Now beautiful flower clips are ready. Please don't forget to like the video and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.